Good morning, guys. How are you today?
Mom! Good morning!
Good morning. Welcome back to my channel.
Welcome back to my channel!
Ang tagal ko hindi nag-vlog.
Shaggy, shaggy, shaggy,
Almost
shaggy,
2 years din. Kasi, I don't know, I got tired. Yung laziness. But anyway, nandito na naman ako. Sana panoorin nyo to. It's a very simple vlog. Yung daily routine lang namin ni PJ. Ayan na. Maglakad-lakad lang kami sa neighborhood namin. And we're gonna go to 7-Eleven to buy some drinks and donuts. Kasi, oh, come on.
Hi!
Hi. FedEx guy. Maglakad-lakad lang kami dito. Kasi, it's a very, very good day. Spring, tapos, maaraw. Ayan. Maganda maglakad-lakad pa sa, maaraw. Hindi malamig. Usually, dito naman sa San Diego, hindi naman talaga kami yung malamig na malamig. Kahit sa winter. So, ayan guys. Ipapakita ko rin sa inyo yung mga bagong apartments na tinatayo ngayon. It's part of the parang affordable housing ng San Diego. Tingnan natin. Okay, let's go! So, ito yung streets namin. At saka malapit na tayo sa yung bagong apartments. Alam nyo, mura lang to siya. I thought it's gonna be expensive. Pero nakita ko sa site na ano lang pala, 2 bedroom, 2,150. Ayan. Ano lang siya. Maganda. So where are we going, PJ? 7-Eleven. And what are we gonna do there?
Get some donuts!
Buy some donuts. Yup. So, yung apartments na yan, it's very near to everywhere. Hospitals, food, restaurants, grocery, Walmart, you name it. Freeways. So, we're gonna try to siguro visit when it's finished.
Mom, you! Not me.
Ayan na siya. Tumatakbo na si PJ. Ito, may mga apartments din dito. I think I saw one na parang may available sila dito. But it's cheap. It's like 1,600. 1 bedroom. Pero wala silang parking. So you have to park on the street like this. Ewan ko, it looks small. So guys, malapit na kami sa 7-Eleven. Actually, I love where we're at. Like, our apartment's very near to Walmart where I work. Freeways. Tapos yung Walmart neighborhood market for food, for grocery. Malapit lang din, malalakad lang din. Since I don't have a car, so we walk to these places. Kasi ang lapit lang. Super lapit lang. But hopefully next year or within this year, may car na ako. Kasi PJ is going to school next year. So, kailangan namin ng dalawang car. May church dito. Pero hindi to siya Catholic church. I heard na pag every Sunday yata, nagbibigay sila ng food dyan. I mean like free food for the homeless. May mga antique shops, massage. May mga, local stores. Baskin Robbins here. Hindi kami pumupunta dyan kasi ang mahal ng ice cream nila. Kuripot kasi ako. Ayan. Ayan na. We just have to cross the street and nasa 7-Eleven na kami.
Go back there.
Ayan na. Konting-konti na lang. Nasa 7-Eleven na kami. Actually, this square here, right here, may sila. Laundry, restaurants, breakfast and lunch. Parang, well, I haven't tried this one here yet, but sa bahay na lang ako gagawa ng breakfast. Yay! DJ wants donut. Hey. Typical na 7-Eleven. Alam niyo na. 7-Eleven in the world are the same. Diba? Coffee, drinks, ice cream, mga expensive na
Mommy, want to buy this?
chips and candies. No, I'm just gonna choose a drink for me. Teka lang. Ano pipiliin ko?
Mom, can you open this?
So, ito na yung binili namin sa 7-Eleven. Dalawang donuts. One for PJ and one for me. And ito, Snapple juice. Apple juice.
Yeah.
And for PJ's water. He doesn't like to drink orange
Yeah, I'm
or
gonna use
oranges or anything juice. Water lang sa kanya. Alright.
I need my apple juice. I want apple juice.
You want to try?
Yeah.
Ito try daw niya. Okay. First time.
What happened to the straw?
Oh, this. Hold on. Like that. Is it good?
No.
No. See? He doesn't like it. Okay.
I figured a do like
Mine.
it. I figured a do like it.
Uh-huh.
Tastes like apple. I
Mhm.
do like apple.
Apple juice is good though.
Yeah. But,
It's good for you.
yeah. But I didn't try that before.
Ah. Alam niyo ba guys? Na.
I'm just kidding, Mom. I'm just kidding.
So, kinuha to ni PJ doon sa rack. Tapos, gusto niya bilhin. Alam niyo na yung mga toys sa 7-Eleven, ang mamahal, di ba? Ewan ko kung magkano ito. But I'm sure it's expensive. So, sabi ko, no, just give it back. So, ibabalik na niya sana sa cashier. Alam niya na ginawa ng cashier. Sabi niya, sa kanya na yan. Binigay niya na lang sa kay PJ. He was very kind. You know these people right here? 7-Eleven. Yung mga associates nila, puro mga Middle Easterns, ang babae. Dati binigyan si PJ ng free pizza. Right, PJ?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oo. Babait nila dyan. So, my free toy si PJ. Yay!
Yay.
Okay.
Yeah, this is for my backpack.
We're just gonna enjoy this and I'll see you guys later when we go back home.
See you guys. Mom, we have to look both ways.
Guys. So after eating our donuts, we came here at La Mesa Community Center. So ito yung community center ng aming city. City of La Mesa. Maliit lang siya. Pero, you know, it's very walkable from our home. Ayan. May baseball field doon. At saka, malapit lang din dito yung downtown namin. Where you can hang out, to eat, to drink. Basta yung mga gusto mong gawin sa gabi. Ayan, maganda dito. Mag-picnic-picnic. Tapos, may maliit na playground na dinadala namin dito si PJ lagi. Ayan. So, hindi pa ako nakapasok sa loob ng building na to. Pero, I don't know kung anong ino-offer nila dito. I'm not really sure. Sa park lang kami pumupunta.
Bye.
Ayan. Siguro may mga free classes dito. So, ganyan naman pag mga community center. May mga class. Dito na kami sa playground. It's a very small playground for little kids. Perfect at PJ actually, because PJ is only 3. Maraming bata ngayon. Ayan. Alright, so tapos na kami sa playground. We're just resting before going back home. It's almost noon time, so magluluto pa ako pagdating ko. So guys, yan lang ang vlog ko ngayon. Hopefully, maka-upload ako ng at least twice a week. Kakaririn ko na to. Right, have a great day guys. See you again. Bye.